A man rarely gets tired from hard work. You can make him work all day, and he will keep going. But do you know when he truly feels exhausted? It's when the person he loves throws an accusation from the other end of the phone. If nothing else, let every person waiting behind the door call the man who is out there working tirelessly and simply say, "I'm here with you. Don't worry. As long as we're together, we'll get through everything. Even if we have nothing to eat, we'll still face life with a smile." Sometimes, these few words give a man more strength than anything else in the world.